The Galaxy A54 is a cost-effective smartphone that provides a good set of features. However, like any other electronic device, it may experience problems over time. One of the most common issues reported by users is that their Galaxy A54 will not respond or turn on. So in this video, we'll guide you through the steps to fix the Galaxy A54 that won't turn on. Such a problem can be caused by several factors. A dead battery is a common culprit, as the phone won't start up if the battery is completely drained. Similarly, using a faulty charger or an incompatible one can prevent your device from charging properly, leading to a failure to turn on. Physical damage to the phone, such as a broken screen or water damage, can also cause hardware issues that prevent the device from turning on. Finally, a software issue, such as a corrupted operating system or a failed update, can also result in the Galaxy A54 failing to turn on. Having identified the potential causes of the issue, let's move on to the next step and explore some troubleshooting procedures to resolve the problem. First solution: force restart your phone. The first thing you need to do is to force restart your Galaxy A54. This step is usually the most effective solution for a phone that won't turn on. Here's how you can do it. Press and hold the volume down button and the power button simultaneously. Keep holding both buttons until you see the Samsung logo appear on the screen. Once you see the logo, release the buttons. Your Galaxy A54 should now start up normally. In most cases, this is the only thing you need to do to fix a Galaxy A54 that won't turn on. However, if your device is still not responding even after this, then move on to the next step. Second solution: charge the device for several minutes. The next step is to charge your Galaxy A54 and try the force restart again. Here's how you can do it. Connect your Galaxy A54 to a charger and let it charge for at least 10 minutes, regardless of whether the phone shows the charging sign or not. After 10 minutes, try the force restart procedure again, and then release the buttons when the Samsung logo shows. If your Galaxy A54 still won't turn on, try leaving it connected to the charger for an extended period and do the forced restart. Sometimes a dead battery can cause this issue, and leaving the phone charging overnight may help. If these troubleshooting steps don't work, it's recommended to contact Samsung customer support or bring your phone to an authorized service center for repair. Your Galaxy A54 may have a hardware issue that requires professional attention. In conclusion, the Galaxy A54 won't turn on issue can be frustrating, but with the above troubleshooting steps, you should be able to fix the problem. We hope that we've been able to help you one way or another. Thanks for watching.